Hey guys, and welcome to another dance tutorial. Today I'm gonna show you and teach you how to do what most people call the wiggle walk. So this move, the wiggle walk, requires you to be up on your toes a lot. And if you're not used to these kind of movements, I would suggest to practice with some chairs to take off some of the weight, and then it will be easier for you to practice without getting tired too quickly. So here I have two chairs to take off some of the weight. That way I can easily move my feet without using too much strength. So start by taking one foot in front of the other. I'm just gonna place my right in front of my left. And basically what this move is all about is just being up on your toes and then kicking the heels out to the side and back in. So ha, back, ha, back, ha, back. And you can also do it with the left one in front of the right. So we go 7, 8, kick, in, kick, in, kick, in. I would just suggest to start with that. You can practice this for a while, and then the other one, the other side. Now what you need to do is when you go out with your heel, with your left, your right is saying up, and then you're placing it in front of the left. So again, 5, 6, 7, 8, tap, tap. And an important thing to mention is that I'm not only just lifting my right up here, but I'm kicking it to the side, and then I'm moving it to the front. So from here, I'm saying side, front. And notice that my toes are kind of pointing outwards here, so they're not on a straight line. So my right is pointing to this side, and my left is pointing to this side. 5, 6, 7, 8, tap, tap. And then from here, we can take it back, the right behind the left again. So 5, 6, 7, 8, tap, back. Alright, let's try to do ha, 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 ha. 5, 6, 7, 8, ha, 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 ha. I'm just gonna show you the same from a different angle. So from here, I'm going up, down, up, down. 5, 6, 7, 8, ha, 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 ha. Now what you can do is also do a double. Let's try to do ha, 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 and back, double, double. I'm just gonna show you again. So 7, 8, we go ha, here, double, here, ha, back, on the spot. So let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8, we go front, ta, double, ha, and back on the spot. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, ha, 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 ha. Okay, let's try to do with the left in the front. We go and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, so 1, 2, 3 on the spot, 5, 6, 7 on the spot. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now with the arms, you go right leg, right arm. So again, 7, 8. Ha, and ha, and ha, and ha, and back, 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 back. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and ha, 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 tap, 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 tap. You start by having your left up, and then you switch here, right leg, right arm. 5, 6, 7, 8, and ha, 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 back, 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 back. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching.